How should pop-up drink stands prepare for a business valuation? A pop-up drink stand should gather detailed financial records, understand its assets and liabilities, and organize all operational information to be ready for a business valuation. When preparing for a business valuation, it is important for the pop-up drink stand owner to have clear and accurate financial statements. This means collecting all income records from sales, receipts for expenses like supplies and rent, and any debts or loans the business owes. The valuation looks at how much money the stand makes and what it spends to figure out its worth. Also, knowing the value of the equipment like coolers, blenders, or signage helps because these are counted as assets. It is useful to explain how the business runs, such as how many days it operates each week, what times are busiest, and how many customers come by. This information shows the stand's potential to keep making money. Something many don't realize is that customer loyalty or regulars can add value too, even if it doesn't show directly in numbers. Preparing a simple summary of future plans or ideas for growth can impress valuators by showing that the business isn't just about today, but has promise for tomorrow. A common mistake is missing important documents like receipts or bank statements, which can make the valuation less accurate or lower than expected. To avoid this, keep all financial papers organized in one place from the start. Another issue is overvaluing equipment or stock. Owners sometimes guess too high on how much their stuff is worth. It's better to get a professional opinion or use recent purchase prices as a guide. Also, many forget to include intangible things like a good location or strong customer base, but these really do affect value and should be mentioned clearly. Being honest and detailed helps prevent surprises during the valuation process and shows that the business is trustworthy and well managed. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and offer their estimates.